Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix it if your phone's camera is not working during a WhatsApp video call. So first you need to open your settings app and you need to scroll down and find apps management. Go to manage apps and here search for WhatsApp. Now click on WhatsApp. Here you need to click on storage. Now you can see cache memories here from my WhatsApp. You just need to clean the cache memories, clear the cache data. Here you can see I have successfully cleared the cache data from my WhatsApp. Now all you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Now you need to check if your WhatsApp application is updated or not. So if your software is not updated, you must need to update your software to the latest version. And after doing that, I hope your problem will be solved. This is a very simple process. After following this, you can fix your problem. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.